me the straw. Give me the straw. Yo, come on the couch. Thank you. No, because she holding up my lion. I don't got time for it. You talking to it. You talking to the manager. Get out. You're not going to be served here. Period. Bye. 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 You're not going to be served. So you can give me the straw and leave. Or you can leave with the straw and not be allowed back in here. Which one you want to do? Which one you want to do? No, because when I told you the price, you wanted to keep on arguing. So which one you want to do? Which one you want to do? You're not going to be served here. Which one you want to do? Go ahead. You put the straw. You want this thing. Which one? Which one? Are you okay? Do you not get it? Do you not get it? Yes.
She's not dependent. She's dependent on you, right? She's special. They're the police and she's going to be out of I work so many years in Manhattan. She's not supposed to do it. You're the customer. She's dependent on you. She's getting your name from you. Just calm down. Camera see everything. Camera see everything. She's special. She's not special. She's gonna be out. She's dependent on this shop. She's dependent on this shop. Not from the staff. Not you. You pay the business. No her.